All right, hey guys, so now we're working on writing vertex form with 2 points. So one is vertex and the other one is a point. Now, I told you for question 2, you should watch this help video because it does give you the y-intercept, so it could be a little different. So let's actually do this step by step, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and hop onto my dot cam, but first let me write these points. So making sure we have the points. So it's vertex is -5 comma +5, and then my y-intercept, so which is the other point, which is 0 -20. So I'm going to show you like I've been showing you in the Edpuzzle video. Okay, so remember your first step, which you want to do is you want to go ahead and write the vertex form and substitute in the HK, the vertex. So y equals a parentheses x minus h to the power of 2 plus k. So what you want to do is sub in the vertex first. Okay, so my vertex here is -5 and +5. So this would be h and this would be k. Let me fix this real quick, guys. Hopefully you can see that better. Okay, that looks better. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and substitute. Okay, now look here. It is going to be y equals a parentheses x, now h, so minus parentheses, now h is negative, so -5 parentheses and parentheses square, then 5 here is positive, so it's going to be +5. Now I want you to think, I probably did this for a reason because look, our h is a -5 this time, and there is a subtraction sign in the original form. So I want you to think here, subtraction sign times that negative sign, it should make it what? It should make it a positive. So it's going to be x plus 5 to the power of 2. Okay, so then I bring everything else down. Y equals a, x plus 5 to the power of 2 plus 5. So now I'm going to go ahead and substitute in my y-intercept point now, because this is my other point. So it's going to be 0, -20. So remember, this is going to be x and this is going to be y. I'm going to go ahead and use a different marker because this is step 2 now. Okay. Oops. I have to use the same marker. So step 2. Okay. So y would be -20 equals a parentheses, my x is 0 plus 5 to the power of 2 plus 5. So now I'm going to be solving for the a coefficient, okay? That's what I'm doing. So this is going to be -20 equals a, then 0 plus 5 is 5 square plus 5. So now you should know that 5 to the power of 2 is 25. And we know 25 times a, the number is going to come first. So it's going to be 25a, okay? Plus 5 then equals -20. So now we got to solve for that a. So I got to subtract 5 on both sides. So now this is negative. So -20 plus or minus 5 should be -25. Then remember this is 0 pair. Then I'm left with 25a. And what do I need to do to get a by itself? I got to divide by 25 on both sides. So this becomes 1. And then -25 divided by +25, I should get a equals -1. Okay, so now I know my a coefficient is -1. And remember, I only need 2 things to write my vertex form, which is the a coefficient and my vertex. So I'm going to go ahead and write that for my step 3. I'm going to use a different marker. So step 3. Okay, so let me go ahead and rewrite that vertex form so I know what I'm doing. So y equals a parentheses x minus h to the power of 2 plus k. So we already know what h is going to be and what is k going to be. So now it's going to be y equals a coefficient is now -1 parentheses x. Now remember, h is -5 and this is a -2, so it becomes a +5 now to the power of 2. Remember, -5 times that subtraction sign, +5, plus 5. Okay, because that is my k. And now that is my vertex form. Now this is right, but what they're probably going to have in your answer choices is going to be y equals negative parentheses x plus 5 to the power of 2 plus 5, because they're going to simplify that one. Let's go ahead and look at my answer choices. So let's see. I'm looking for a negative, so it's definitely not C and D. So it could be A or B. Oh, can't be A because there's that subtraction sign. So it has to be B, and that is correct. Negative parentheses x plus 5 parentheses to the power of 2 plus 5. All right, guys, call me if you need any more help.